Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Level Up Your English.
Hey everyone.
Welcome to Day 18 of our Speak English in 30 Days series.
In day 17, you learned how to talk on the phone in English.
And today, we're going to learn how to talk about problems in English.
This is very useful in real life because sometimes something goes wrong, you need help, or you need to explain a simple problem clearly.
In today's lesson, we're going to learn easy phrases you can use in common problem situations.
For example, you may need to say, I have a problem,
Or, I need help.
or it doesn't work.
Or, I don't understand.
These are very useful phrases. They are simple, direct, and easy to remember.
Let's look at a few more common problem phrases. My card doesn't work.
The door doesn't open.
I can't find my phone.
I lost my bag.
The room is cold.
There is a problem with my order.
Very good. You do not need long sentences in these situations. Short and clear English is better.
For example, if your card doesn't work, you can say, my card doesn't work.
If you do not understand something, you can say, I don't understand.
If you need help right now, you can say, I need help.
If something is wrong with your food, your room, or your order, you can say, there is a problem.
You can also ask simple questions like, can you help me?
Can you check, please?
What can I do?
These questions make your English sound more natural and polite.
When you are in a problem situation, the goal is not to speak perfectly. The goal is to stay calm, explain the problem, and ask for help.
That is enough. Simple English can solve many real problems.
In the next part, you're going to listen to full conversations about problem situations. Just listen first. Don't repeat yet.
Try to understand the situation. Listen to what the problem is and how we explain it.
Then, in the final part, we will practice together.
So stay with us and let's continue. Now you're going to listen to full conversations about problem situations. In these conversations, we explain a problem and ask for help in a simple way.
That is very important, because in the final part, you will practice the same kinds of English yourself.
So first, just listen. Understand the situation and get familiar with the phrases.
Then, in the final part, we will practice together.
Excuse me,
Yes.
I have a problem.
Okay. What's the problem?
My card doesn't work.
I see. Can you try again?
Yes, of course. One moment.
Does it work now?
No, it doesn't.
Okay. Do you have cash?
Yes, I do. That's okay then.
Great.
Now let's listen to another example. Excuse me,
Yes?
I need help.
Of course. What happened?
I can't find my phone.
Oh no. Where did you see it last?
I think it was on the table.
Let's check.
Okay.
Is it in your bag?
No, it isn't.
Is it in your coat pocket?
Oh, yes. Here it is.
Perfect.
Now let's listen to one more example. Excuse me,
Yes?
there is a problem with my order.
I'm sorry. What's wrong?
I ordered a coffee, but this is tea.
Oh, I see. I'm sorry about that. I'll change it right away.
Thank you.
No problem.
Now another situation. Excuse me,
Yes?
the door doesn't open.
Which door?
My hotel room door.
I see. Can I check the key card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me see.
Okay,
I think there is a problem with the card. I'll give you a new one.
great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Now, one more short example. Sorry,
Yes?
I don't understand.
That's okay. I can explain it again.
Thank you.
We need your passport and your booking number.
My passport and my booking number?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, I understand now.
Perfect.
So, in these conversations, we're using simple English to explain a problem.
We say what is wrong, ask for help, and respond to simple questions.
That is very important, because in the final part, you will practice the same kinds of situations yourself.
So first, just listen. Understand the situation and get familiar with the phrases.
Then, in the final part, we will practice together. Now that you listened to the full conversations, let's practice the most useful phrases for problem situations.
This time, repeat the key phrases out loud after us.
This is the moment to speak. And don't worry about being perfect.
I have a problem.
I need help.
It doesn't work.
I don't understand.
My card doesn't work.
I can't find my phone.
There is a problem with my order.
The door doesn't open.
Very good.
Now let's practice a few longer phrases.
Excuse me, I have a problem.
Excuse me, I need help.
My card doesn't work. Can you help me?
I can't find my phone.
There is a problem with my order.
The door doesn't open. Can you check, please?
What can I do?
Excellent.
Now it's your turn. This time, answer with your own ideas.
What's the problem? Can you explain it? What do you need?
Can you try again?
Do you understand now?
Take your time and answer out loud.
Now, one more time, a little faster.
What happened?
Does it work now?
Where did you see it last?
What's wrong with your order?
Can I check it?
Very good. Today you learned how to talk about problems in English.
And this is only day 18.
Tomorrow, we're going to learn how to make complaints in English.
So you can speak politely when something is wrong.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and continue this 30-day journey with us.
See you in day 19.
See you tomorrow.